Hey, welcome to the weekly dance tutorial. We're here at Snow Globe Perspective, and today's going to be a special tutorial because we're actually going to be using our feet today. You know what we're learning?
Gliding.
Yeah, we're going to learn some gliding basics, and we're going to use the Moonwalk as an example. If you don't know what that is, you can look it up on Google.
Michael Jackson.
It's also known as a backslide, and it takes a lot of patience to learn. And it's a little on the tough side if you're not good with your feet. So here we go. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. So turn to your side. If you have a mirror, great. If you don't, no problem. Just look at your feet. Okay? And the way we're going to do it is first, we're going to lift our left heel. Okay? Left heel right here. And your weight is going to be on that toe. So you should be able to, yeah, this toe right here. And you're going to have your knee slightly bent forward. Okay? And while the weight is here, you should be able to move the other leg freely. Okay? Like sliding it around. So this leg is actually going to choose the direction of where you're going to glide. So you could either go to the side, to the front, or to the back, right? And today we're just going to learn the backwards direction. So from there, you lift, and then you want to slide, but as you're sliding, keep your right foot flat, okay? So right foot flat, like that. And you're only going to go from here, from the middle, 1 foot space, okay? Just start with 1 foot space, because if you're just starting off, it's easier to slide a shorter distance, okay? So at the same time, okay? So you're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, slide, and just stop right there. And your upper body, don't worry about it for now.
It helps like move your arms.
Yeah, sometimes it helps to move your arm.
Oh yeah.
So it's kind of like a walking pose, you know? But you can also leave it on the side just to focus on the legs. 5, 6, 7, 8, slide. Nice. And from here, right when you hit the back of your heel with your other toe, you're gonna switch. Now the weight is gonna be on your right leg. Your right knee is gonna be bent, and then your left foot is gonna be flat. So one more time, this is what the switch looks like. So you slid, and then switch. Switch the weight over to this side. Okay, boom, boom. And then from here, you're gonna repeat the first step, but on the opposite end. Weight on the right foot, and then slide on your left one. Remember, 1 foot space. Okay, here we go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, switch, 2. Nice. Yeah.
Does that look okay?
Yeah, it looks
I
fine.
was trying to get in my
It's
head.
okay. She's learning it for the first time, so it's gonna be a little tough and it's gonna be a little wobbly at first, but just focus on shifting your weight. Shift your weight. Okay. Really slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide, switch, slide, switch. And then you repeat the process. So one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide, switch, slide, switch, slide. Nice.
Is that okay?
Okay, I'm gonna do it to the front, and then I'm gonna turn around and do it to the back. Okay, so from the front, this is what it looks like. You're gonna do this, slide it back, switch, slide, switch, slide, switch, slide. I'm gonna do it to the back now. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide, switch, slide, switch, slide, boom, boom.
Cool.
And if you notice,
Michael Jackson.
the way you make it smooth is to not have any pauses in between each switch, each slide. Try to keep the momentum continuously flowing like this. As soon as you get to the back, you should switch and then switch, switch. And the speed that you want to do it to make it smooth is a quick switch but a slow slide. So you slide slow, but the switch is faster.
Yeah.
So watch. I'm gonna do it one more time over here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide, switch, slide, switch, slide, boom. See that?
So yeah, slow.
Yeah, so you want to focus on the slide being the same speed, but the switch is fast. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna do it extremely slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide, switch, slide, switch, slide. Okay, and I'll do the fast part so that they could see what it looks like in full speed. Okay, yeah, here we go. Full speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I'll do it just a couple more times just so they could see. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you notice the switch is quick, but the slide is slow. And that's pretty much the basics of gliding. If you want to change directions and go like to the side, it's the same principles, just in a different direction, but you're always constantly switching your weight, and then you're always constantly switching the speed of your slide and the direction if you like to go different directions. That's pretty much the basics for gliding. If you have any more questions or if you want to see different kinds of glides, let me know on Instagram at can.poriotics, and check out her Instagram, and we'll see you next time. Bye.